So we will be talking about how to change the file permissions for a particular user or for a group or for the others. Okay, there are the user, the owner of the file, and the group where he or she belongs, and the rest of the people. So particularly if you have a file, say 1.1.c, so what kind of permissions you want to give for the user? Read, write, and execute, right? So the numeric way of assigning a permission to the owner or for the group or for the others, the numeric method is like we have shown in Canvas. Go ahead and read it here. Read is given a value 4, just a numeric value, and a write is given numeric value 2, and execute is 1. All right, so when you have a read equal to 4, we give a value, a write equal to 2, this is just a, and execute is represented with letter X, and 1, right? So these are basically a bit positions, right? 1 1 1. So let's remove that. All right, so the command to use to change permissions is the chmod, and you need to give a numeric value, and let's say you given 6 for the owner. It's a 3-digit value you have to give. Okay, 3-digit value. 6 means read and write. We remember we said read is 4, write is 2, and execute is 1. So 6, if you say, that means 4 plus 2 is for the owner, that is for 6. For the group, let's say you just give read, right? That is 4, just 4 only. And for rest of the other also it's 4. Okay, it's 4. So that command chmod 6441.c would give a read and write permission for the user. 6 means read and write, and 4 for the means read only for the group, and 4 for the rest of the other people. So it's a 3-digit letter. Okay, when you're using numeric value, it's a 3-digit value. So let's go ahead and see how to do that. Let's say we have 1.c. we're creating a file. All right, so we have created a file. So here is given some permissions. We are not worried about right now what it is. So we are going to change it. So chmod, we said, what did we say? 644, right? 644 1.c. When you give that, if you see here, oops, sorry, ls minus l 1.c. So here, like we talked, right? There it is. There it is. We said read and write for the user, so that is what it is. Read and write for the owner, for the right, and there is no execute permission for him. And we said just read permission for the group. So if you see the text is just, there is no W there, and the even for the other rest of the gang is also 4, right? So we have given that. Now you want to change it. You want to change this to, say, I want to give read, write, and execute permission for the owner. All right, so I need to give read, write, and execute for the owner, read and write for the group, and we'll keep just read for the others. Okay, so how do we change this value? So we need to change this value, right? We need to change this value. So we said we are given all three. That means 4 plus 2 plus 1, which is 7, right? 7. And read and write, it is 4 plus 2 is 6, so that's 6. And he said we'll keep same, that is 4, right? So 764, if you do it for the file, again change mod 764, we said change mod 764 1.c, and if you type it out, you will see we have read write x, that means execute. That's what we decided, remember? If you see here, that's what we said, all permissions for the user. For the group read and write, you see there is a read and write here, there is no execute permission, and a read permission for the other people, so just read permission, right? Let's go and do some more thing, right? I'll remove this, guys. This time I'm going to give all read write for everybody, read write, right? So how do I change this particular value? That means read and write means 6, right? 6 and 6 for everybody. So we go ahead and change it. Six. Now if you see, I've given read and write permission for everybody, right? So that is the way to do it, right? So that is a numeric way. That's a numeric way for the assigning the permissions, okay, using chmod command. All right, thank you.